here with a small portico with its x and y directions coordinates mentioned. There's a 5 feet 11 inches by 12 feet 2 inches. We entered into this space and it opens into a nice living room. Now this living room has two functions, your dining position as well as your nice sofa and TV arrangement. As a priority was to overlook and have a nice scenic connection to your existing valley, this window will act as a great facilitator. As you walk into the room, the house opens into more semi-private and private zones. With single bedroom positioned at 10 feet 6 inches by 9 feet 10 inches, it has two side tables and a wardrobe selection. And similarly, a kitchen with a breakfast bar to allow for quick eatery so that when you are in a hurry, you can use the kitchen and then clean up the dishes and get out of the way. Now the kitchen is housed with an external utility. Now this utility can be accessed from the rear side of the house. This allows for your support or your maids to access the house without disturbing the internal flow of the building. Now as we come inside, using this staircase, we can go to the first floor. As we enter the first floor, this has its own lobby that opens into two respective bedrooms. Now in the bedroom 1, you have your 10 feet 5 inches by 10 feet 10 inches setup with an extended gallery that is 5 feet 11 inches by 7 feet 5 inches. Now this gallery becomes a part of this bedroom that is private to it, as well as a toilet space that has its own bathtub and shower unit, as well as your WC and wash basin. Now similarly, the second bedroom also has its own toilet and a balcony, but slightly larger area with 12 feet 10 inches by 10 feet 5 inches and a bathroom of 5 feet 2 inches wide and 7 feet 1 inch. Now this also houses a shower cum bathtub. Similarly, as we go up, we open into a nice private study. Now this study is large enough for you to have some gatherings, some personal activities that has more than 5 to 6 people together, as well as it opens into a private terrace that allows you to have some outdoor activity whenever you see fit. The private study also comes with its own balcony, so if you want to enjoy the view on the southern side, that also becomes accessible. This was the positioning of the option 1.